If your exam is tomorrow, you've studied nothing, and your future's doing cartwheels off a cliff, stop. This video is not a joke. I'm about to show you how to cram 4 months of work into 4 hours and actually remember it. You follow this exactly, and you're getting an A. No fluff, no BS. Let's go. First, forget perfect. You're not learning to understand, you're learning to survive. Cramming is controlled panic. You don't need 100%. You need what matters most, remembered fast. Step 1. Find the 20% of content that gives 80% of marks. Here's how. Go to past papers, skim 3 to 5 of them, write down every topic that keeps repeating, cross-reference with your exam board specification. Now you've got your critical content list. Don't study chapters, study questions. Next, use active recall, but speed it up. Take your priority list, turn every point into a question. Now answer from memory on paper or out loud. Got it wrong? Cool, try again, still wrong. Flip, read, re-answer. This isn't studying, it's mental weightlifting. You're forcing your brain to fetch, not soak. That's what sticks. Now for retention, use what I call the space blur technique. Study in short, sharp bursts. 25 minutes on, 5 minutes off. After 2 cycles, change subjects. This blurs the content across your brain, forcing separation and improving recall. You're telling your brain, this matters, don't forget it. Last hour. No new content, only test and repeat. Go back to your hardest questions. Say them. Write them. Flashcard them. You're locking in the 20% that'll carry your grade. You wanted 4 months and 4 hours, that's how? But here's the deal, this only works if you actually do it. No distractions, no scrolling, no excuses. I gave you the blueprint. Now it's on you. Go get that A or don't, and this video disappears forever. Remember to subscribe and comment how you felt about this video.